Actual wellness is the process by which you.
My dear colleagues and student friends, this I must say a dream come true. Always we were thinking about. So these panelists today will be there for the second session, and after that, Mr. Harish Shetty will be giving you for venturing into the Center for Holistic Wellness. Thank you very much.
It gives me immense pleasure to stand here in front of you today, parenting the kids and kids themselves while aspiring and moving forward towards their dreams need to know one thing. Also.
They sip or they lap. Sip. And all the non-vegetarian animal, they lap. All the non-vegetarian animal. We sip or we lap. We sip. So that's the first sign being vegetarian. So our food is bad, our breathing is bad, our lifestyle is bad, everything is bad. How are you going to get a good health? So first thing is that be with nature, eat right and think right. This is what is very important. He would come to me for depression. 7 years of depression. I asked her, what are your problems? So she said a few problems. I said, write it down. She wrote, it was about 9 points. Then I asked her, what are your happiness in your life? And she said, I've got none. I opened a video where I'm treating a girl who's completely paralyzed down the neck. So I said, she was a young girl, 24-year-old, and when I went to her house, she cried that day. She said, yesterday whole night I was thirsty and there was nobody to give me a glass of water. I said, your hands are working, your legs are working, you can see with your eyes, you can think, you can move around. Don't you think these are blessings? So she started crying, and then after half an hour, I said, go to the next room and start thinking, what are your blessings? And after an hour, she came back with 360 points. Who did not remember even 1 point? She wrote down 360 points. I told her, no diet business, but before breakfast, lunch, dinner, you have to read these points and you have to eat your food. After 21 days, she called me up and she said, today she had a good sleep. And she asked me, how did it happen? I'm not sleeping from last 7 years. I said, because you started training your mind to see good things. We have got so many positive things in our life, friends. But we don't remember when there is one problem in our life. Small problem. So what I do is that it's my thing. I write all my blessings in a book and I read it every day. And whatever problem comes, I just write it next to it. So those are just 2-3 points, and there are thousands of keeping us in our memory that we are being blessed with so many things. And second thing, when you read it every day, an attitude of gratitude comes. You pray to the Almighty that being grateful to all those that you have got. And finally, we are all blessed in life, and we should be a blessing to others, to the society. So everybody wants to become a king today, but nobody wants a responsibility. Raja banna hai, praja nahi chahiye. So let's all be responsible to this world and make this society a nice place. So आहार, बिहार और विचार 3 चीज है, लेकिन आहार अच्छा हो और विहार अच्छा हो तो ही विचार अच्छा बनेंगे. So आहार is food. So if I give you good food and a dirty plate, will it work for you? And a clean plate but dirty food, it doesn't work. So food is we and plate is the surrounding. So both has to be good. We have to be responsible for both. We are giving a blind eye to the surroundings. Okay, today cancer is spreading everywhere. Today it's an illness. Before it becomes an epidemic, we have to improve air, water and food. air, water, and soil is getting poisonous. So I would just like to show you all one video for 2 minutes, and then with that, later on, I will come back to you all. So can you...
कुछ किया आपने? किधर कैंडल पकड़ा? एक चिट्ठी भेजी? हर चौथा आदमी मेरे पास आता है वो कैंसर। क्या हुआ इस दुनिया में? 30 साल पहले मैं थिएटर जाता था, वहां पर एक पोस्टर आता था, तंबाकू मत खाओ कैंसर हो जाएगा। आज ये नॉर्मल फूड, जैन फूड, ब्रह्म भोजन, नॉर्मल फूड खाने वाले कभी तंबाकू, गुटखा, शराब नहीं छुआ, उनको कैंसर हो रहा है। अगर जहरीला हवा, पानी और खाना हमारी जिंदगी हो गई, डेवलपमेंट देखने के लिए अगला नस्ल बचेगा क्या? बच्चे को शराब या सिगरेट से दूर रखना है तो घर के बाहर दुकान नहीं होनी चाहिए। सब कुछ बर्बाद हो रहा है केमिकल की वजह से। और क्यों वो फार्मर तक पहुंचता है? अगर फार्मर को पहुंचेगा नहीं तो आप किस तरह से उसको यूज करेंगे? और ऑर्गेनिक फूड मिलता है दुकान में सिर्फ एक क्लास के लिए, रिच आदमी के लिए, जो महंगा है। हर इंसान को हक होना चाहिए साफ हवा और साफ पानी और साफ खाने का। सिक्किम कंप्लीट ऑर्गेनिक है। अगर एक स्टेट ऑर्गेनिक हो सकता है तो बाकी स्टेट में क्यों नहीं हो सकता है? तो भारत अगर एक है तो एक कानून होना चाहिए। दैट इज डेवलपमेंट। ये प्रकृति दे रहा है, फ्री दे रहा है, हम उसको खराब कर रहे हैं। क्यों खराब करने का उसको? इस अभियान में हमारा साथ दीजिए। हम इतनी जोर से आवाज करेंगे कि एक बदलाव लाएंगे। harishetty.com, आप प्लीज उस पे।
Rest of the development can stop, but this cannot, because this is going to, bring us down. And I don't want to put fear in you all, but the reality is that. So let's all come together. I have got on 23rd of December a walkathon that is with association with Tata Memorial Hospital. They are sending us all the cancer patients. We'll be putting them on a wheelchair with a plate saying that please save us, we are getting destroyed. So friends, please join us and make it successful. Okay, with this I conclude. God bless you all. Thank
The
you.
question is that with all these yo-yo tests and other, very aggressive form of sporting that is coming up, will he be able to sustain his physical fitness or the required level of physical fitness with just vegan food?
Which is the strongest animal? Friends, answer me. Elephant. Okay. What protein does it eat? What protein does it eat? It lives on all the vegetarians. So it's not important that. And milk, we are the only species who drink other animals' milk. Out of the 84 lakh species, whichever animal come in our control, we will control it and keep it with us and milk it. We don't need milk. Milk is not our food. Only what the nature provides when we are small in the mother. That's the only requirement. Otherwise, today milk is in such a bad form that it's so difficult to digest. And second thing, to get that milk, the cows are given so much of steroids and everything. So milk is not our requirement, our body's requirement. And this is the answer to your question. Thank you.
The Kashmiri girls. Yeah. What was your analysis of that?
Only the learning and the positive part. At the same time, the pain, the trauma, the emotional hurt is released. So that's how we worked on all the 3 projects. Ma'am has a question which is very good question, so I would like to answer it publicly. She said effect is long lasting.
Making organic food available at a lesser cost, do we have?
Yeah. So if there's a law in stopping the use of chemicals on food, automatically everything will become organic and prices will be stable. Today, in the name of organic, it's being branded. And after being branded, it's sold on a higher prices. Yeah. So it's not reachable. So my aim is that it should be reachable to every person. It's a right of every person.
Stalls which are displayed every
Right.
Saturday or every Thursday,
Right,
Sunday.
right.
So how organic that food is?
It has got a particular size. Vegetables don't grow very big in size without putting those chemicals in them. Yeah. So it's hard to understand, but this is one of the important sign of having an organic vegetable. Okay, we make coconut milk chas. So with lemon and all. So we have to use all the nuts to form the milk, which the nature gives us. Sesame seed is one of the best milk for calcium. You know, one spoon of sesame seed will give you 4 glass milk of calcium. So everything that nature produces is a complete food. See, one time food used to not travel. Like in our hometown in Mangalore, where my mother's hometown, there was no road also. So there was only rice and coconut, and people lived for thousands of years. In the desert, there were only dates, and people ate that and lived for thousands of years. So every food that is created is a complete food. Whatever nature produces is a complete food. Let's have faith and eat that. Because 40, 50 years also people lived, no? Today we have analyzed so much, and finally after a lot of analysis we are paralyzed. Too much of analysis. So into protein, vitamin, multivitamin, calcium. No, the food is complete. Okay, so these are the 4 milk: sesame seed milk, coconut milk, almond milk and peanut milk. Very easy to make and not very expensive also, but with the nature.
Everybody's life is with the problems. As I said, rather it would be more problems rather than a comfortable and happy life. Now there is a difference between the happiness and pleasure. Pleasure is a momentary, happiness is long lasting. Lot of things are done to set the things right in the outer world, but how much time we give to set the things in the inner world, that is important. And hence it is always important to give time for your own self. Be alone and try to think about your own self.
The same on the second floor at the Junior College Biology Lab, and the coupons for the same shall be given to you right away. Thank you.
Namaskar. I'm Dr. Nishigandha Wad, and today I'm here at the inaugural ceremony of Holistic Wellness Enterprise, which has been started in our Mitibai College. At the outset, I would like to congratulate Dr. Rajpal Hande sir for starting this inspiring holistic wellness center for students' benefit over here. And believe you me, the panelists whom I heard today definitely covered all aspects of the development of the students and person proper, I must say, be it spiritual, be it psychological, be it physical, economic, social wellness. And to top it all, Harish Shetty ji's organic food, which I tasted today, was a jaw-dropping experience, because till date organic food for me was testimonial knowledge, but today after tasting it I am going to be his client from today. But once again, for Mitibai College and for Dr. Rajpal Hande and for the Holistic Wellness Center inaugurated today, 3 cheers.
I am Dr. Rajpal Hande, Principal Mitibai College, Vileparle, Mumbai. Former Director Board of Colleges and University Development, University of Mumbai. Ahar Veda is very good new concept which is coming, and I must appreciate Mr. Harish Shetty that spreading this awareness among the children and the youngster and all the citizen that organic food, healthy food, without the mixing of the oil and etc., you get the nourishment, you get the whatever required by your body. And further, he is taking this cause for the cancer patient, and the petition what he is going to do, we support this petition through our all the students of the college. All the best to Harish Shetty, and all the best for future organic food. Thank you very much.
Hi, this is Dr. Anjali Patkar. I am the Vice Principal of Commerce Faculty. Want to mention that today's program was a very enlightening one. It was very well organized, speakers were good, hospitality and the food which was provided by Mr. Harish Shetty was too good, superb, keep it up. Looking forward to meet him again on Saturday for the Ras Garba event. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Chintan Naik and I am a clinical psychologist, and today I was one of the panelists on the inauguration function of Wellness Center in Mitibai College. This is very good initiative because it talks about holistic wellness, and I was very impressed by the concept of Mr. Harish Shetty, who spoke about Ahar Veda, and this is beautiful initiative by him, and we had wonderful treat at the end of it. I never expected vegan food to be so tasty, so this was really a treat. All the very best. Thank you.
Yes. Hello, this is Dr. Manali Londe, in-charge principal of SK Somaiya College of Arts and Commerce. Today I was one of the panelists for the panel discussion on at the inauguration ceremony of the Center for Wellness, which was started by Mitibai College. At the outset, I would like to thank and congratulate the Mitibai College for this is such a wonderful and unique concept of having wellness center, which is the need of the hour. One of the panelists I met was Harish Shetty, and I really admire his unique concept of organic food. After our panel discussion, we had the opportunity of having this unique organic food, and after coming here I could see that organic food also of so much variety and which is healthy food. I am looking forward to have such kind of you can have a great spread of the different items, right from the soup till kheer, which was made with a very organic food and which is available at home. And at home we can have such healthy food, I think, which is the need of the hour, and we can overcome with so much of the diseases, the variety of diseases that we see in our society. This is one of the best solutions that we can start with our home. Thank you so much.